Welcome to Life Fat Hacks. You are on a trip, no charger in sight, and your Android phone is dying fast. Don't panic. I have got two genius ways to extend your battery life and keep you connected while traveling. Let's dive in. First up, turn on battery saver mode. It's your phone's built-in lifesaver, cutting background activity, lowering brightness, and keeping only the essential running. But wait, if you need extreme power saving, Samsung have maximum power saving mode. It shut down almost everything except calls, texts, and a few apps, stretching your battery for hours. Number 2, turn off unnecessary features and connections. Kill the power hungry features. Turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and mobile data when you are not using them. They constantly drain power searching for signals. And here's a pro tip. If you don't need calls or texts, switching to airplane mode and turn Wi-Fi on only when necessary. You will be shocked how much battery you save. Now you can travel stress-free without worrying about a dead phone. Try these tricks and let me know in the comments how they work for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech hacks.